So to start off with, you're going to need your loom of whatever shape you need, yarn, your tool or your hook, your scissors, and your darning needle. So I'm first going to show you guys how to do the E-wrap. It is what you learned when we learned our cast on. So you wrap counterclockwise around all of your pegs at once. This is a fast way of doing the loom knit stitches. So then you take the bottom loop once you've completed and you slip it over the top. So you take the bottom loop and pull it up, off, and over the peg, and you take the bottom loop and off, and you do this all the way around. So now I'm going to show you how to do the U-wrap. You take your yarn and you make a U around the peg, and then you take the bottom loop off and over top. And you form a U in front of the peg, and then you take your bottom loop and you pull it off. This last stitch is called a line wrap. So you take your yarn and you pull it in front of all of the pegs, and then you take your bottom loop and you go up and over. This forms a really tight stitch.